Bumbo, Chuman. That's good. Shit. Chuman. Get some more onion, some black pepper. Alright, that done.
Oh God, it now smell like body. Oh, my back. Daddy, you can't clean up. Look on the place and it stink. Smell like ass. How do you? Fix up the place now, man. Fix it up.
Mommy, you want some other food there? Smells so good.
You must be mad. That smell like dead dog. How that you cook?
From some beans. Sure you don't want some, mommy? Tastes really nice, you know? And I start planting my own food now, so I can save money.
Oh, I'm dear. Make sure you say you sell some of that food the way I grow. But if it smell like that way I cook, not sell it. Cause you poison people. Or that you plan for though. So what go on with you? How's everything?
Alright, with mommy. You hear nothing about the pastor son? You adopt him so you can get the money?
I'm back at work. That you know, I tell you, lawyer and all them something them if I hire. But no worry, man. As soon as my doctor look away, me come tell you. Me and you, we live in a nice big house.
Alright, mommy, come and get tired for live yourself. It kinda creepy in the night still. And the lock on the door now work no more.
Don't worry, me by a lock. At the hallway, I'm come breathe to you, alright? Worry about that thing, son.
Oh, mommy, what if somebody break in or something? Most of the day alone, you know. I'm not a weapon or nothing upon me. What want me to do? Hey? I can't ask everyone to help me out or something.
Yeah, mad. Your brother, you know him have him family and things to deal with. Him not gonna give you no money.
So what about doing? You can't ask him to lend me some money.
No, stop beg. Stop beg your brother them. You're too workless.
Boy like that goes so wrong.
Well, they live in a crummy neighborhood.
The Brady's?
Oh, hell yeah. They got robbers, thugs, drug dealers, you name it. You folks want some pancakes?
I put the twins them to sleep. I gotta take a shower and go to work.
Where chef up sexiness? We can get some. Where you do that blonde dye there? You could dye your hair blonde? Or you could dye the tip of your dreads them blonde?
That's for you for that you're here. That's enough for me. Want you that here right now too.
Alright, no problem. I never done my hair before. It'll be fun.
Yeah man, you need a new look. So you can look sexy. I love blonde hair. That go fit you man, no worry. You gonna look so good. And later, we can buy you some new clothes. We go up on the road.
You know you really spoil me, Leroy. Thank you.
See? Don't you look 10 times better now than you did before? Like a movie star. Alright, me go get myself together. I'm here up on the road. Show you off to everybody.
Hello, I'm here about the one room for rent.
So, what do you do for a living?
I work in wholesale and I have a husband at foreign.
Okay, that's good. So, is he gonna file for you anytime soon?
Well, not at the moment because he's still looking for work and he wants to make sure we have a place to live, a nice place.
Alright, do you have any children?
No, it'll be just me one living there. No kids. And maybe sometimes my relatives will come visit me. That's it.
I just want to let you know that there is 2 spare rooms that I'll be renting out as well. So, later on you're going to have roommates.
I have no issues with that. I lived with roommates before, and I keep the place neat and tidy. You don't have to worry about me causing any problem.
Oh, okay. If you know anyone who wants to rent a room, you can tell them. And I'll rent out the extra room them to friends or whatever.
Is it share light and share water?
We'll be sharing the water, but not the light. The light is separate. The rent will be 15 grand a month. And if you want to use the internet, you can give me 1,500.
Really? That's it? That sounds really good, man. Thank you, Anthony.
That's no problem. Oh, and I have a lot of kids, so you might hear them romping in the yard, if that's okay.
That is no issue to me, especially that the rent is so cheap. I don't mind anything, trust me. The last place I was renting was like 30 grand, and I still had to share.
What you say your name was again?
It's Renee.
Alright, Renee, you want to see your room?
This room is really nice, Anthony. It's spacious.
Yeah, man, you show you the bathroom later. The worker man himself have to work on some things in there. But everything will be up and running when you're ready for moving.
Our friends allowed to sleep over sometimes.
Yeah, man. I'm going to cause no problem or make the neighbor them cuss me. Everything cool.
Thank you so much, Anthony. This means a lot to me. This is such a nice place.
Yeah, man. No problem. As long as you pay rent on time, yeah, you'll be cool.
Is the internet... Is it fast speeding? Because me and my husband always video chat.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fast and good, man, cause I've called my parents them too.
Your parents live up abroad?
Yeah. I them below the upstairs want me some more money so them decide for rent.
That's so nice and help you out. My mother don't really talk anymore, so I just me one. I may have look a friend, who come help me out sometimes. I'm a one cousin them.
Me understand. And everybody family, good. So me understand what you go through.
Thank you so much. You're such a nice person. I can't wait to move in.